Hi, this is Michael from Frontline Web. Just going to show you a quick website I've designed using Wix and their new columns that I've added and strips where you can add parallax scrolling, zoom in, fade in. Absolutely brilliant. Let me just run through. You can see that zooming in and the column just coming in. Now the column on the left is parallax, should I say. You can see that staying there. Another zoom in. You can add video within your columns, different colors to fade in, different animations for your icons and video. My portfolio coming up, then down to contact. So you have a chance, have a mess around with columns in Wix. And if you'd like me to design your website, just contact me with the details. Many thanks.